Good morning, students. Today, in this video, you will learn about words often confused. It is part of your vocabulary. We know that good vocabulary enhances the beauty of our language and helps us to express ourselves clearly. By the end of the video, you will be able to differentiate between words having same pronunciation, and you will also be able to use the word with correct usage. Now open your basic English grammar and composition at page number 149. We will discuss words often confused and misused from 1 till 25. Number 1 is accept and accept. The first accept, ACCEPT, means to agree, and the second accept, EXCEPT, means not including. Number 2 is accident and incident. Accident means something unexpected or tragic, and incident means some ordinary event. Number 3 is advice. If we are having ADVICE, then advice is used as a noun, but if we are having ADVISE, then that advice is used as a verb. Number 4 is allowed and allowed. The first allowed means permitted, and the second allowed means loudly. Number 5 is angle and angel, where angle is a mathematical term and angel is used for fairy. Number 6 is bail, where BAIL, bail, is security, and BALE, bail, is used for a bundle of goods. Number 7 is bare and bare, where bare means uncovered, and bare can be used in two ways. Bare as a verb means to tolerate, and bare as a noun means an animal. Number 9 is berth, where BERTH, berth, means sleeping place in train, and BIRTH, birth, means to be born. Number 9 is beside and besides, where beside means next to and besides means in addition to. For example, besides giving me clothes, she also gave me some money. Number 10 is brake, where BRAKE, brake, means a part of vehicle to stop it, and BREAK, brake, means damage. Number 11 is blue, where BLEW, blue, means past form of blow, and BLUE, blue, means a color. Number 12 is by, where by is used as a preposition, and BYE, by, is used to say goodbye. Number 13 is cattle, where CATTLE, cattle, means cows, bulls, etc., and KETTLE, kettle, means container. Number 14 is check, where CHECK, check, means examine, and CHEQUE, check, means written order to a bank to pay money. Number 15 is site, where CITE, site, means court, SITE, site, means a place chosen for special purpose, and SIGHT, site, means view. Number 16 is ceiling, where CEILING, ceiling, means roof, and SEALING, ceiling, means to close with some help. Number 17 is cell, where first cell CELL is used for prison and the same CELL cell can be used for battery, and SELL cell means to sell something. Number 18 is coarse, where COARSE coarse means rough and COURSE coarse can be used for path or it can also be used for syllabus. Number 19 is complement, where COMPLIMENT compliment means to praise someone and COMPLEMENT complement is a word or group of words which complete something. Number 20 is current, where first current is used for flow and second current can also be used as an adjective for latest fashion, and the last CURRANT current means dry fruits. Number 21 is deer, where DEER deer means an animal and DEAR deer can be expensive or it can be something which is valuable. Number 22 is die, where DIE die means pass away and DYE dye is the act of coloring. Number 23 is dairy and dairy. Dairy is a place where we can have milk, butter, etc. and diary is a notebook. Number 24 is dose, where DOZE dose means light sleep and DOSE dose is used for medicine. The last, number 25 is feet, where FEET feet means part of the body and FEAT feet means great skill. Next we will discuss some exercises which can come in your exam as a part of your vocabulary. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with correct word given in brackets. Number 1. Please dash the total of this bill. Two options are given, check and check. First check is to examine and second check is used for money. Now please dash the total of this bill. Here we will write this. This check means to examine. Second, a hot wind dash during the day. Blue or blue. First blue is color, second blue is past form of blow. So for wind we will use this. So our answer will become a hot wind blew during the day. Writing a dash at night is a good habit. First is a diary and second is a diary. So the correct answer is diary. Writing a diary at night is a good habit. Number 4. The dash is full of tea. So the correct answer is kettle. Here the kettle means container. The kettle is full of tea. The doctor gave me 2 dash of medicine. Now first dose is for a light sleep and second dose is used for medicine. So our answer will be the doctor gave me 2 dose of medicine. The second exercise is match the columns. Words are given and the meanings are also given. We have to find the correct meaning. Now the first word is dose. The dose is a light sleep. So we will write number 1 here. Second, ceiling, CEILING ceiling is used for roof. So this will be number 2. DEER deer is a wild animal. So this will be number 3. Brake is a part of vehicle to stop it. So here we will write number 4. And the last is accept means to agree. So here we will write number 5. The next exercise, differentiate between the 2 words. 2 words are given and you have to differentiate between them. We can give meanings or sentences. Here we will do both. The first word, ANGLE, angle, it is a mathematical term. And the second is ANGEL, angel. It is fairy. We can differentiate by giving meanings. We will make sentences also. The first, angle. A square has 4 90 degrees angles. Second is angel. We can make sentence. The girl saw an angel in her dream. Now see the second word. First is bear and second is bear. The meaning of bear is uncovered. And this bear means a wild animal. Now we will make sentences. First bear uncovered. We can make sentence. We should not walk barefoot. And bear, we can make sentence. A bear has thick brown fur. Number 3, by and by. The first by, by, is used as preposition. And the second by, ye, is used to say goodbye. Now we will make sentences also. First by, we can make sentence. The painting was made by Anu. And for the second by, we can make sentence. The mother said bye to me at the end, full stop. Now we will move to the fourth word. Cell, cell and cell. Now the cell, it may be prison or it can be battery. And this cell means to sell something. Now we will make sentence. For the first, we can make sentence. The thief was taken to the cell. Means the thief was taken to the prison. The second cell is used for the battery. We can write the cell in the torch is not working. And then full stop. The last is sell. Sell means to sell. A green grocer sells vegetables. At the end, full stop. I hope you all have understood words often confused. Now revise all of them from your basic English grammar and composition. Thank you.